Hormones are like chemical messengers in our bodies. They control many important functions. These include mood, sleep, and energy levels. When our hormones are balanced, we feel good. But when they're out of whack, it can cause a whole host of problems. Think about it like a seesaw. When both sides are balanced, the ride is smooth and enjoyable. But when one side is heavier, the whole thing goes out of balance. That's what happens when our hormones are off kilter. Symptoms of hormonal imbalance can vary from person to person. Some common signs include mood swings, fatigue, sleep disturbances, and changes in appetite. Many factors can contribute to hormonal imbalance. These include stress, diet, and environmental toxins. While conventional medicine offers treatments like hormone therapy, many people are turning to alternative therapies for support. One such therapy that has been gaining popularity is the use of crystals. For centuries, crystals have been revered for their healing properties. Many cultures believe that crystals possess unique vibrational energies that can interact with the body's energy field. This interaction is thought to promote balance and well-being. Crystals are believed to work on a subtle, energetic level. They do this by clearing blockages and promoting the flow of energy throughout the body. In the context of hormonal health, crystals are thought to help by balancing the endocrine system. Crystals like moonstone and rose quartz are believed to have a balancing effect on the endocrine glands, which are responsible for hormone production. Reducing stress and anxiety is another benefit. Stress can wreak havoc on our hormones. Crystals such as amethyst and blue lace agate are known for their calming properties, which can help to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. While scientific research on the efficacy of crystals is still limited, many people find them to be a valuable tool for supporting their overall well-being. Each crystal is believed to possess unique properties that can address different aspects of hormonal health. Here are a few examples of crystals that are often recommended for hormonal balance. Moonstone, known as the stone of the goddess, is associated with feminine energy and is believed to help regulate the menstrual cycle and ease PMS symptoms. Rose quartz. This pink crystal is all about love and compassion. It is believed to nurture the heart chakra, promoting feelings of self-love and acceptance. Rose quartz is also thought to balance emotions and reduce stress, which can be beneficial for hormonal health. Amethyst, this purple crystal, is known for its calming and soothing energy. Amethyst is believed to reduce stress and anxiety, promote restful sleep, and enhance intuition. Section 4. Integrating crystals into your daily life. There are many ways to incorporate crystals into your daily life for hormonal balance. Here are a few ideas. Carry crystals with you. Keep your chosen crystals in your pocket, purse, or bra to benefit from their energy throughout the day. Meditate with crystals. Hold a crystal in your hand or place it on your body while you meditate. Focus on your breath and visualize the crystal's energy flowing through you. Create a crystal grid. Arrange your crystals in a specific pattern or grid to amplify their energy and intentions. Use crystals in your environment. Place crystals around your home or workspace to create a calming and harmonizing atmosphere. Section 5. Embrace the gentle power of crystals. While crystals are not a magic cure-all, they can be a powerful tool for supporting hormonal balance and overall well-being. Their gentle energy can help to restore harmony and promote a sense of peace and tranquility. Experiment with different crystals and find what works best for you. Remember to cleanse your crystals regularly to clear any negative energy they may have absorbed. Embrace the journey and trust in the power of these ancient healers to support you on your path to hormonal harmony.